Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix long loading screen in Marvel Rivals. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're having problems with the loading time here for Marvel Rivals, it's stuck at 99% or just typically just takes a lot of time here. Well, in this case, there is something that you need to do. You could need to know here and you need to consider. So first thing that you need to consider here is where you have Marvel Rivals actually installed. So if you're using an HDD for your PC, well, in this case, this will take some files to load up properly in Marvel Rivals, which in turn can actually make your loading screen pretty long, which is not ideal for a game that needs constant you need to be constantly moving and you need to be at the start here. Now, in this case, you might want to move your files or your actual game to an SDD, which in this case a faster version of a storage that you could use on your PC. Now, again, if you're using HDD, maybe switch to an SSD and see SSD and see if that actually solves your issue. Now, another thing you could do here is to reduce a few settings on your Marvel Rivals. So in this case, it's top right of the screen. Go ahead and click on the gear icon. You want to go to settings, and from here, you want to go ahead and basically change a few things. So first is you want to change your resolution or the quality that you have for your game. So in this case, you want to go ahead and go to graphic quality here. So if you're running it in ultra, maybe click on optimize here and see what is the recommended quality for your game. Now, if that doesn't work, you're still having issue after optimizing it. Like for example, if you have settings at high, maybe switch to medium or even low and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing you could do here is you might want to change how your display mode is actually, or what display mode you are currently using. So in this case, like for example, if you're using borderless or windowed, you might want to choose full screen instead, because if you have it in full screen, this will focus the game more, or your computer will focus the game more, and in turn will allocate more resources into it, and hopefully this will fix any loading screen issues that you have in Marvel Rivals. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.